Hi, my name is Jack, and today I'll be comparing nature versus technology. Tree. Connect to Wi-Fi. Connect to Wi-Fi. Connect to Wi-Fi. Sheep. Turn on iTunes. Sheep. Turn on iTunes. Leaf. Minesweeper. 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 As you can see, I have most definitely got internet. Got a problem, internet? iTunes? Bitch, please. I'm rocking feeling in my pants right now. Feeling in my pants? I ain't afraid to show it. Minesweeper? How about, Minesweeper? Ooh. Yeah. Hell, I can even make my own tea just from my laptop. Check it out. Refreshing. Technology 1